Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I'm going to do a video about an emergency tool that is good to have in your car. And it is this one. But before we dive into that, we'll be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? This is my new emergency tool for my car, my new car I bought. And this is not a war hammer. This is an emergency hammer to break the glass in your car if needed. And it also has a belt cutter, which is really nice to have as well, because sometimes you need to cut the seat belt because it's stuck for some reason. And the color is bright orange, which is good because you find it easy. And you attach this inside your car where you can reach it easily. And it is attached to this plastic holder like this, and you have those two holes. You put these in like this, and I need to find a good place to attach this one in my new car, which is a Ford car. And I need to find a suitable spot for it because I need to reach it and the missus needs to reach it if necessary. So we both need to have access to this one. That means you need to attach it where she can and I can reach it without problems. So, and it also comes with these, a little plastic bag with 3 screws, and this you can probably put in the roof or on a surface in your car, and this is probably sticky, so you can attach it that way if you don't want to put the screws through. So this is nice to have actually, and I hope I will not need the screws because I don't want to put those screws into my car. But if this would be a better option for me to sticky surface, so you stick this to this and it will be attached there and it will not go anywhere. So, emergency hammer for your car. It's a necessary emergency tool because you never know when you need it. And the thing is, I think this is tungsten tips on these. These are really pointy and sharp, actually. And why do I like an emergency hammer like in this size? There are smaller, which I have as well. But the problem is you can cut yourself. And with this, you can break the window without cutting yourself from the glass. But when you use one of these, you should always wear gloves. I highly recommend it, just in case, to protect your hands. And well, if you don't have one of these, I suggest you buy one because you never know when you need one of these. If you have an accident and you need to cut your seatbelt, break the glass to get out of your car, if it's possible. If you don't get stuck into your car, of course, but that would be a total different situation. But if you can move and if you don't stuck into the car, break the glass with this and get out. So that's all for today's video, guys, and thank you guys for stopping by. I appreciate it. And if you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified when I go live and upload new videos. Be part of the solution, not the problem. ShadowScoutSwede out. Strength and honor.